Most people will scroll past this and stay broke. But you're not most people, are you? Today, I'm going to share a secret formula to build a faceless YouTube channel that could make you $2,000 every month. And guess what? You won't even have to show your face on camera. Imagine starting your day, sipping your coffee, while your YouTube channel earns you money in the background. Sounds like a dream? It's possible, and I'll show you how. Step 1, choose a niche. This is crucial. You need a niche that's both popular and not too saturated. Think of topics like health tips, financial advice, or travel experiences. But remember, the key is to find a unique angle. For example, budget travel for families or simple health tips for busy people. If you target a specific audience, they're more likely to subscribe and engage with your content. Now, on to step 2, content creation using AI tools. Yes, you heard that right. AI can be your best friend here. Tools like Pictory, which helps in creating videos using text-to-video technology, can save you hours. You input your script, and voila! A video is ready without the hassle of recording footage. Speaking of scripts, let's talk step 3, script writing. You'll need to create informative and engaging scripts for your videos. Free tools like ChatGPT can help generate ideas and draft scripts quickly. Make sure to keep them concise and engaging. Your viewers' attention is your currency. Every 30 seconds, you need a hook to keep them watching, just like this. Imagine waking up to a notification that says, "You've earned $50 while you were sleeping." That's the power of a well-optimized YouTube channel. Step 4 is all about video editing and optimization. Once your script and raw video are ready, use simple editing tools like InVideo to polish your content. Add subtitles, engaging visuals, and make sure your video is between 5 to 10 minutes long. Studies show this is the sweet spot for viewer retention. Finally, step 5, uploading and optimizing your videos. Use catchy titles and descriptions filled with keywords. This makes your videos searchable. Also, don't forget to design eye-catching thumbnails using free tools like Canva. A great thumbnail can be the difference between a video that gets ignored and one that gets clicked. Remember, consistency is key. Upload consistently, at least twice a week, and interact with your audience. The YouTube algorithm loves engagement. So there you have it, a straightforward path to potentially earning $2,000 a month with a faceless YouTube channel. You've got the plan, now it's time to take action. Most people will scroll past this and stay broke, but not you, right? If you found value in this, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Stay tuned, and happy earning.